A Lyft driver ducks for cover while his passengers scream in the back seat. Dashcam video shows a black SUV pull up beside the rideshare moments after a pickup. At a red light, a gunman leans out and opens fire, nearly hitting all three, shattering the rear windshield.
He was terrified. He didn't have any clue what was going on.
Attorney Bryant Greening is now representing the driver, who wants to remain anonymous for fear of retaliation. Chicago police say the frightening attack happened on December 19th, just before 3 a.m. in Woodlawn. In the video, the passengers can be heard screaming at the driver to keep going.
Keep going. Please keep going.
As he continues to call for help through an emergency feature in the Lyft app.
Go, help me, help me, help me.
In this situation, my client was trapped. He had a gunman following him, following his passengers. It was not safe for him to stop the vehicle. The most prudent thing for him to do was to continue to flee and allow Lyft to provide real-time data to the police so that the police could come to the car or meet him at an end location.
But Greening says they never showed up. Instead, the driver remains on hold with an agent for much of the recording. Ultimately dropping off his passengers near 65th and King Drive. But the ordeal doesn't end there. A man approaches the car, opens the door, then begins hitting the driver.
No driver should ever have to go through this experience, particularly because Lyft has the technology to prevent it.
Chicago police confirm detectives are investigating, but so far no one is in custody. The driver plans to sue Lyft for damages.